In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Currency Calculator. To get started, log into your account and head to the main dashboard. From there, look for the wallet option and click on it. This is where you can manage balances, payment methods, and money-related tools. So it's the right place to begin if you want to check exchange values between currencies. Once you're inside the wallet section, find and click on Currency Calculator. This tool is designed to help you quickly estimate how much one currency is worth in another. It's especially useful if you send payments internationally, receive money in different currencies, or just want a quick conversion without leaving your account. After opening the calculator, the first thing you'll do is select the currency you want to convert from. This means choosing the original currency or the one you currently have. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct starting currency because that will determine the rate and final result you see. Next, select the currency you want to convert to. This is the destination currency or the one you want to view the value in. Be careful here as well, since switching these two fields can give you a very different result. If you're comparing values for a transfer or purchase, it's always a good idea to double check both currency selections before moving on. Now, enter the amount you want to convert. As soon as you type it in, you'll see the conversion displayed. This gives you an estimate of the value based on the selected currencies. If needed, you can adjust the amount to compare different totals and get a better idea of how much money you're working with. This can be helpful when budgeting, planning a payment, or reviewing exchange values before completing a transaction. Once you've reviewed the conversion and confirmed everything looks correct, click on Done. That will finish the process and close the calculator. And that's it. Using the currency calculator is a simple way to check exchange values directly from your account. Just go to Wallet, open the currency calculator, choose the currency you're converting from, choose the currency you're converting to, enter the amount, and then click Done. If you're working with multiple currencies often, taking a few extra seconds to confirm your selections can help you avoid mistakes and make sure you're viewing the right conversion every time.